It was always nice when the family gets together. At bukod sa pagkain, yung nakita mo yung mga bata, binubuksan yung mga regalo.
Unang binigay sa akin ni Daddy, cash ka agad.
Oo.
I think ang unang-unang nabigay sa akin ni Daddy na hindi ko rin nagamit is a bike. Dahil admittedly, never ako natuto kung paano mag-bike.
It would be nice kung balikan na natin yung huwag masyadong complex o komplikado ang buhay natin.
My dad has given me more than enough. I can't ask for anything else. So my wish is mas dumami pa ang taong matulungan niya, mapasaya, at mapangiti.
You could see how he has behaved. Na ipagmamalaki ko, na ipagmamalaki ng nanay niya. I feel very proud to be his father. When parents start commenting on how well you raised your children, that's the greatest gift in the world that a child can give you, is when other people see the kind of person that he has grown up to be.